Here's what we're going to build: typing indicators that show during real processing time rather than the awkward silence. Most WhatsApp chatbot feel dead. You send a message, then whilst the chatbot is processing in the background, there is nothing, to the extent that as a user you might expect that maybe the chatbot is dead. Let me show you how you can improve the user experience by implementing typing indicators when your WhatsApp chatbot is processing a request in the background. Before we jump into the implementation phase, here is the workflow. We mark messages as read immediately so users know that you got their message. Then whilst we are processing the request, we show the typing indicators. The moment that your chatbot responds back to the user, WhatsApp automatically clears the typing indicator, so the typing indicator won't be shown. It's now time to do the actual coding. I'm going to open my WebStorm. This is the chatbot that we're going to build on top of. And if you're new, you can just do a git clone, then the URL for the repo, which I've included in the description box. Since it's a new feature, I'm going to create a dedicated branch for this feature. Fit typing indicators. And this is a mini recap within our WhatsApp controller. When we receive a post request on our webhook, we handle the incoming message, and the first step is marking the message as read using the WhatsApp service. From the WhatsApp documentation, they recommended that maybe you should show the typing indicators when the processing time is over a few seconds, but I would argue that even when the response is fast, showing those typing indicators builds anticipation within our users, to the extent that when we respond back, the conversational flow feels more human rather than just showing the response. We just want to show the typing indicators by default, whether it's a text message, it's an audio message. Let us go to the WhatsApp service where in the method where we are marking the messages read. And the good thing is that WhatsApp combined marking a message as read and the typing indicators into one API call. So what we're going to do is, in our existing payload for marking messages read, we just go and add the typing indicator. With this minor change, when we receive an incoming message, we mark it as read, and then we immediately show the typing indicator to the user. I'm going to make this configurable. Let us add a Boolean variable for showing a typing indicator which defaults to false. So if show typing indicator is supplied as true, we then supply the key for the typing indicator. After that, we stringify our payload like we were doing before. Notice that we are combining read receipts and typing indicators in a single API call, and the typing indicator will show during the processing time. Then WhatsApp clears it automatically when the bot responds. And with this in place, in our controller, we supply the show typing indicator as true. Since this was recently introduced in the WhatsApp Cloud API, we just have to make sure that our Graph API version, which is defined in our environment variable, is greater or equal to version 23. It's now time to test our implementation. What is life? Tell me more about life. As you can see, the typing indicator shows during processing, and also our message has been marked as read, as you can see by the blue ticks. Let's now try with a shorter request. Let's just say hello. Perfect. Now image generation part / imagine sunset. And this is an operation that I know takes some time as compared to the normal text chats. Let's send and see. Rather than just waiting for the image generation, the typing indicator is there as a placeholder, then the image comes, which improves the user experience. The user will always know that the the bot is working in the background. This simple change dramatically improves the user experience. If this was useful, consider smashing the subscribe button. See you in the next one.